Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Wholesome Visual Blowout Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this PLR offer called Wholesome Visual Blowout. So this is the Wholesome Visual Blowout Review, and right now you are on a sales page where it says grab your hands on the top most authentic and high definition quality product, Wholesome Visual Blowout, the ultimate collection of fitness and health visuals with unrestricted private label rights to use, resell and earn profit well. So technically you will be getting all the videos, okay, all the video clips which you will see on the sales page. You see here now the glimpses. So you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video probably. So go below my YouTube video and click on the link which says grab Wholesome Visual Blowout copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to this to the sales page, and then you can come and play these videos and check them out. And if you want these visuals or these video clips, then you can go and get this, right? And how to make money with this, I have no idea, because either you can go and sell these clips, rebrand them and maybe create some promotional materials for your clients, maybe run some Facebook ads on them, maybe use them in your own business. If you are some trainer, you're some maybe restaurant, you're a diet expert, whatever you are, you use this in promoting your own business. Or if you are some digital marketing company, you manage social media accounts for some other other clients, then you can post these videos in your client social media profiles, okay? Or if you are a freelancer, you can go and sell these videos. You can just go and make promotional materials. You can write the website name, business name, address and everything on top of these videos, and then you can sell them to the clients for at least $50, okay? You can easily make $50 for a 30-second video if you are an established freelancer, right? So this is what you will be getting, the ultra creative wellness themes library, blah and blah. So you can use the Wholesome Visual in your project, create video slides from the wellness videos and images, create health and fitness slideshow, repackage and resell the bundle. Wellness is a very hot niche, and start newsletter, create unique images and video membership that focus on wellness, use them as a reel to get traffic in social media. I explained that you can post in social media. Either you have your own following or you are managing some client's account, create viral content using these wellness media, and so many more, okay? So let's get to the bottom and let's see what you can do, what you cannot do. So you can do all of these and you cannot do these things. So you cannot sell this, you cannot sell this package on Oria plus JV Zero Click Bank, and you can also not sell this on existing PLR websites such as IDPLR or any other, okay? But yes, if you have your own website, for example abc.com, then you can create the membership, or you can make people buy from your own website, right, after rebranding. So that's it. Let's go and talk about the questions. So refund policy, no refund policy. If you want to buy this, then only buy, otherwise don't buy. So I'm telling you, no refunds. How will I receive my order? You will get the email login details sent to your inbox. Where can I get help? You can come here and raise a support ticket, okay? Let's talk about the pricing here. The pricing will be $22, okay? So you will be paying $21.7 to get the front end, and then let me see if we have some OTOs here. So again, this is the Wholesome Visual. This is the front end. Then there are only two OTOs, I guess. One is Visual Upgrade for $37, and this is Ultimate PLR membership for $22.97. So it's not telling us clearly what are you going to get inside. Then in this case, you will have to buy the front end. Once you buy the front end, then you will be taken to this visual supercharged. Here you have two options. One will be $40, another one will be $30. In light version, obviously they will cut down some features, okay? And then here you have 19 or 20 per month, or this one is $147 one time. Okay, so in OTO 2, either you can pay them $20 per month, or you can pay them $147 one time. If you want to know the details in what are you going to get, then you will be taken to the relevant sales pages after you buy the front end. You can check there everything, read everything, and if you have any questions, you can come here and click on this online help desk. Let's open this in a new tab, and let's see how do you contact them. So here you click on the system, and if you already have login, then you can log in. Otherwise, you click here And let's see, how do we contact them? You raise a support ticket, I guess. Okay, so click on submit a ticket, write your issue, they'll get back to you. And once you have the answer to your question, then you can go and continue with your purchase. Okay, great. So no rocket science here. This is for people who want to actually get these PLR videos and clips, and you want to use them in your business as a freelancer, or for posting on social media for your clients or for yourself only. Go and get this, no rocket science. You will find the link below my video. Okay, if you are a newbie only and you want to make money online here, it's not going to help you with anything because newbies don't know anything. Okay, so don't get this. If you want these, get this for fun only for newbie. But if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then you don't have to buy this. If you want to make money online, do what I do. Come and make YouTube videos, do these reviews. Everybody's making YouTube video reviews because if you sell, you make money. If you don't sell, you still make money if you do what I say. Okay, so if you go below my YouTube video right now, the second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now, because I am making money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, you must have seen some advertisements. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, because my YouTube channel is monetized. To get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which you will be able to get within 2 weeks with the help of Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then you can learn how to make these reviews, how to do affiliate marketing, grow your email list. So everything is covered inside Traffic Jarvis. And the first thing says here, make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now forex trading is like currency trading. You buy currency at low price, you sell it when the price goes up. Okay, so you can see here what we have on the screen. We have this virtual machine, then we will be setting up the graph, then we will be using a software, and we will be giving the settings to the software, and that software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically. Okay, now this thing works, and come here, click on the first link and come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos, there are option 1, option 2, watch them very carefully, then you will understand what this thing is all about and how to get started. Okay, if you will have any further questions, you will be able to contact me on Skype here and then get going. So this thing is completely on autopilot because it will be on profit sharing. 60% profits you will be making weekly, 40% I will be keeping. Okay, because you will not have to do anything. I will be doing all this for you. I will be managing your account. I will be setting up this machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be setting up the software. Everything will be done by me, and you will be simply keeping 60% profits for doing nothing. If you want to know more, get into this, enter your information, watch those 2 videos on the sales page, and then come back to me. Okay, let's get back here. So in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy. It's my job to say, and you have to do it. These buttons are for you people, not for me. Understand? Do it. Free. It's free. So now we have 2 links here for people who want to make money without even buying anything, without buying these things. You don't have to buy every single thing from this website called Warrior Plus in the hopes to make money online as a newbie. If you want to make money online, learn and then take action. Okay, now here I'm giving you 2 methods. First method is completely on autopilot, where you don't have to do anything, 60% your profits. But if you want to do this YouTube thingy, if you want to replicate what I'm doing on YouTube, go and get Traffic Jarvis. The difference between 2 methods is that first method requires you to do nothing. Second method requires you to work manually as much you can. Manual work. Okay, so choose for yourself. Both methods will make you money, but in my recommendation, the first method will be completely on autopilot, and that will require you to do nothing. Okay, anyways, in the end, subscribe, like, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.